Good morning. It's actually not even morning yet. It's like noon already. I'm actually home alone today all day with Lily because my husband's working, and usually the days he works, he's gone like 12 to 14 hours. So it's a decently long day. I'm basically alone. Wake up to bedtime. She was hard to put down for a nap today, so I worked out on my spin bike, which I have in the living room right now, even though my husband hates it. And I let her play with her toys, and I finally got her down for a nap, and she slept about 30 minutes, which is pretty typical for her these days. She just woke up. I didn't have time to do my hair yet. I got to put makeup on, which is like amazing. The days that I have time to put makeup on, it's like I feel like a new person. And I'm attempting to make breakfast because I feel like I was hoping she'd be sleeping a little bit longer, but it's noon now and I'm just now eating and starving. But yeah, she just woke up, so I'll show you the monitor. She's actually being really cute and playing by herself. Just kicking around, chilling. I'm just making breakfast right now, and usually I like to make kind of like the same thing every day just because I know it's easy and ready to go. So I usually make breakfast tacos. So I basically just start with a hash brown. Oh, you can hear Lily starting to fuss, so let me just quickly break this up. That's pretty much broken up enough. And then I just add eggs and a little bit of shredded Mexican cheese. And let me pause this and go get her. So I'm almost done making breakfast. It's too hard to do with one hand, so I'm just going to show you. These are the tortillas we use. I love these. They're the handmade flour tortillas from Trader Joe's. And then, as always, I always add Frank's Red Hot because I am obsessed. We have like the really big bottle. And then usually with my breakfast, I take my prenatals and my DHA. I'm still breastfeeding, so I have to keep up with my prenatals. And the prenatals I use are the Baby and Me 2. And the DHA I use is the Nordic Naturals. I always heard that these were one of the highest quality DHA, so I just trust these. And these are what I took my whole pregnancy, and I continue taking them. Let's show them your room. You want to show them your room? Well, this is Lily's dresser, and we have her changing table. And on her changing table, we have butt paste, Burt's Bees stuff. I always think a great thing to have on your diaper changing table is a hand sanitizer, because sometimes you don't really have time to like quickly wash your hands if there's like a blowout situation going on. And then we have some coconut oil, which is what I use for her thermometer. She got shots yesterday, so I just took her temperature last night. And then we have our diapers. We use the Pampers Pure. And for her lotion, I give her a nightly foot massage with her bath. And we just use the Aveeno Baby. And we have some stain remover in here. And her brush, which we brush her hair every night, even though she doesn't have much of it. And then we have, sorry, it's a bit of a mess. I didn't really plan on doing a room tour. But we have this rocking chair, which is so comfortable. It's from Bye Bye Baby, and we kind of did all blush. And I usually use her boppy. I threw it on the floor right now. When I feed her and rock her to sleep. And then we got these curtains from Pottery Barn. and I love them. They're actually blackout, and the reason it looks so weird with the lighting in here is because I actually use blackout curtains, and these ones I just got on Amazon, and they're not like installed. You just tape them up to the very top. So I follow Taking Care of Babies for kind of like sleep training, and she always says like a dark room with a sound machine is the best way for babies to sleep. And then over here we have her Dome sound machine, which she sleeps with each night. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the baby and do this at the same time. We have another one, a portable one. And then we have a thermometer because I am a freak and I need to know exactly what temperature it is in her room. And then we have a book that we were reading to go to sleep. And then we have her little lovey bunny, which she loves. And then this is the Tranquil Turtle, which I'm actually going to show you in a minute. It's very cool. And then we have her crib. We have the Newton mattress, which I love. She recently just started rolling over onto her belly at night, and it freaked me out until I put myself face down, and you can actually breathe through the mattress. So it's really amazing, and I highly, highly recommend it. I'll leave a link down below. And then we have her Binky. She's not a huge fan of Binkies, but every once in a while she'll take them if she's really tired. And then what else do we have? These are the blackout curtains that I was just talking about. I have them thrown on the floor right now just because life with a almost 5-month-old is just chaotic. We have her Boppy newborn lounger and a tummy time mat, which I'm actually probably going to give away or sell because she doesn't really use those anymore. And we put her jumperoo in here for now because we felt like we were kind of running out of space in our living room. And she's really only in it for a few minutes a day because she's not that strong enough yet. So until she starts using it more often, we're keeping it in her room. And then over here, we have, oh, someone just got us this as a gift. And then my niece made that for her. And then that was her welcome sign when she was born. And this is her lamp that we got at Target. And her little bookshelf, which is super unorganized right now because we've been reading a lot, and usually we try and tiptoe out of her room so that we don't wake her up. So we just kind of throw them back in there. And then we have a TV. She doesn't really watch TV, but sometimes when I have to hold her for naps, I like to just turn on YouTube or watch TV. So we have that. Okay, so I put Lily down for a second. So this is the Tranquil Turtle. I'm just gonna put it right here for a second. It is so cool. So you turn this on, and it makes ocean sounds. And I'm gonna show you the blackout curtains right now. So if I turn this off, this is how dark her room gets. And look at the ceiling. It basically turns into the ocean. I'm obsessed with it, and it's really calming and so nice. So sometimes I'll rock her in the rocking chair with this on, and it really puts her right out. I'll try and find a link for this too and leave that down below. But these blackout curtains are seriously so good. This is the middle of the day, and this is how dark her room is. So we just got in the car. We're heading to Nordstrom. I like to do a little outing each day if I can with Lily because I feel like she's less fussy, and sometimes she even naps in the car. So that's like one less nap I have to hold her. She's already yawning, so hopefully it works. And I need to get 2 dresses for 2 different things we have going on this weekend. We have like a wedding, and then we have a baptism, and I literally have no clothes. I feel like I cleaned out all of my stuff from like when I got pregnant, and I don't know where any of my clothes are anymore. I really need to get some clothes, so I hope Nordstrom has kind of like what I'm looking for and what I need. And I just want to make it a quick trip because I never really know how she's going to react. And I'm also really craving an iced coffee, so I'm going to accomplish that too. So we're heading there now, and I might bring my camera in with me, I might not. I still feel kind of awkward like with my camera and my microphone like walking around the mall, but it's something I'll probably get used to more often. And oh, as you can see, this is the best I could do with my hair. It's kind of like about to rain and really humid here, so I wasn't gonna bother like straightening my hair or doing it. And I think I'm going on like day 4 of not washing it. I've just started getting that like postpartum hair falling out thing, so I'm trying not to wash my hair so much, and hoping that will help. But I feel like I'm just rambling on at this point, so I'm gonna get going before she loses her mind, because she hates when the car stops. So off we go. So I've got her on my lap now. It's the only way she won't like screech while I show you what I got at Nordstrom. So here she is. You got your bunny. So here's everything I got today. I stopped at Sephora because it's my birthday month, and the birthday gift they give you is this or a Kat Von D thing, and I'm obsessed with Drunk Elephant products, so I was really excited to get this. And Lily's into it too. Right? Oh, you like Drunk Elephant too? Yeah. You like skincare? Yeah. And so here is what I got. I showed you the video of what I was trying on. So I ended up getting this shirt. It's by the brand Socialite. Focus on that. And then I ended up getting that black kind of off the shoulder dress that I showed you, and that brand is Roa. I got a medium in that. And then I got this dress, which I also showed you in the try-on, and this brand is the Leaf brand, which I have a lot of their stuff and I really like it. So that's what I got at Nordstrom. So now I'm going to try to attempt to make dinner. Usually it doesn't go well while she's awake. I usually wait till she goes to sleep, but I'm kind of really hungry, so I'm going to try and cook while she's awake, and hopefully it goes well. Right? Right? You can be nice while mommy cooks? The pediatrician told me she's not teething, but I think she is. The way she's chewing on my hands. You chewing on my hands? Yeah. So because I don't have a lot of time, and as you hear I have a fussy baby, I'm just heating up this pre-made eggplant I got at the grocery store, and I just put a little bit of my own marinara sauce on top and a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And then I'm also boiling some water, and I'm gonna have whole wheat spaghetti with pesto. So it seems like a pretty complex meal, but it's pretty easy, and it's a really easy cleanup because of the tinfoil. So as you can see, we just got back from Trader Joe's. We got a ton of stuff. Ignore the baby in the background. She's just playing and likes to act like she's not having fun, but I swear she is. So here's what we got. So we got these Carol's pasture raised eggs. We got 2 of these cold pressed green juices, and it has kale, spinach, apple, cucumber, celery, lemon, and ginger. We love green juices, so I was happy that Trader Joe's had them. This is my absolute favorite chocolate of all time. It is the best. It's the Ritter Sport Dark Chocolate with whole hazelnuts. We also got some organic shredded cheddar, or shredded 3-cheese blend. Hold on, let me see what this baby's doing. This is the new cute thing that she loves. If I dangle the bunny above her, she gets so excited. Wouldn't you, bunny? Okay, Mommy's gonna go back to showing them what we got, okay? Okay. Where did I leave off? We got Pecorino Romano cheese. We got Pecorino Romano cheese. It's the best. We got a big thing of organic strawberries. These yogurt pretzels. I took my husband grocery shopping, and this is what he wanted, so he picked these out. Bananas. We got 2 packages of these grape tomatoes. I make this really good Giada de Laurentiis recipe. I'll leave a link below. It's the best pasta you'll ever have, and use grape tomatoes. This is one of our favorite ice creams from Trader Joe's. We got some sweet potato fries, olive oil, this popcorn with herbs and spices. This is so good. Got some butter lettuce and some spinach. Got 2 bags of these pita chips. Frozen hash browns. We make eggs with these all the time. Tortillas. I make breakfast tacos a lot. Organic champagne style vinaigrette for the butter lettuce. Mediterranean hummus. Sour cream spinach dip. And we have the pita chips to go with those. We got this rigatoni for that pasta that I said I was making. And then we got this breaded chicken, just frozen. Super convenient on nights that we aren't sure what we're going to have for dinner. And then this organic 3-cheese pizza. So that is our Trader Joe's haul.